Good morning everyone. So in this quick video I'm going to show you this powerful scooter that easy to carry, folding, electric and three-wheel scooter that you can use it for a long time. If you check out their videos you will feel happy because they share the details. Let me show you the video of this scooter that you can use it for a long time. You can see it's really powerful and you can easily go anywhere using it. And if you want you can check out my video description link to get the latest discount with confident. They share every single features in the left side, and right now you can see the best number one trending on Alibaba, 224 sold, and you can see 74 reviews, 5-star rating. So it's really good product. You can check out the details. They share everything in the left side in their photos. Also you can check out the description of this product, how you can use it, everything they share in the details option. Now as you know, real customer never lie. They buy it, they use it, and they will always give you the best experience. That's why if you click these 74 reviews, you will see right now this person's buy in March 2024. You can see give a good review like this way, another good review. If you check out the page 2, you will see another person buy it and share a beautiful photo enjoying the scooter, and like this way. If you check out page 3, another person share a photo of the scooter. So most of the people, you can see it's a great scooter. You can see surprise and very happy, giving good service. So if you want you can check out 5-star rating. Most of the people are happy with this product. If you want you can check out the discount in my video description. So that's it for now. Use it and feel happy. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.